Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft has updated the media creation tool for Windows 11. If you do clean installs of Windows 11 or reinstall Windows 11 regularly, you have a big advantage in downloading the latest media creation tool. So this update that they made for the media creation tool is now downloading the latest image with the January 2026 updates. So that means pretty much no updates really to do, or almost no updates to do if you use the media creation tool. So Microsoft did say there's a difference. If you download the disk image that's available here below, it seems that it's not as up to date as the image that you get from the media creation tool. So in essence, if you want to create an installation media, you're better doing it with the media creation tool to get the latest image. So Microsoft confirms that it will now be downloading the image for the January 2026 updates. It's important to update it because if you use an old media creation tool, which is not the same version as this one, it will not download the latest image. It will actually download whatever image it was downloading before. So the update to the tool updates also the image that you download. So it might be a feature actually of the media creation tool that creates this. So if you are to install a new version of Windows 11, well, this is the way to do it to get the latest one using the media creation tool. So I'll share the link to this page in the description below, and you can, of course, download the media creation tool, create some bootable device, a USB thumb drive, for example, or whatever, to have something handy to install Windows 11. With the latest updates, so as not to wait and get downloads and downloads of updates before install. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.